Today I would like to share you the best 3 websites for architecture and designer that we should know. So let's go. For the first one is called Behance. You can see the platform here, and if you prefer to sign up, you can sign up here. Okay. A lot of creators all over the world, they share their own project here, and some projects from random platform like Vire, Corona, blah 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 blah, and some from the realistic photo also. For example, if I prefer to check this one, so I just click here, and you can see here, you can follow, similar like Instagram also. So you can click, really look nice because the image here always stay with high resolution. So we can absorb the new idea, how people prepare the furniture, how the designer prepare the color combination, how they use the space. So it's a really good website. Okay. And for the second one, I think maybe most of you know this website. It's called Pinterest. So for the Pinterest, you can search similar like Behance also, but most image here not stay with high resolution or HD. Just check how people they design their project. Okay. So we will think out of the box. Now we stay in 21st century. So the more we do the research, the more we know the world. Okay, so you can see a lot of ideas. Okay, really good. We can learn from here also. And for the last one, it's called SUBCRIBE. So if you prefer to sign up, you can sign up here. Okay, I just show you what is SUBCRIBE. SUBCRIBE.com is a digital publishing platform that allows creators to share, discover, and monetize digital magazine, catalog, and other publications with a global audience. So really great. You can be a creator also. For example, I search for interior portfolio. Okay, wow, a lot of portfolio idea. Okay, now I want to check for this one. Just click here. Okay, you can see how people design their cover for the portfolio. You can see how the creator prepare the digital portfolio, selected work from 2017 to 2020. Okay, just check here. Okay, good. And also not only for students, but a lot of company profile for architecture and interior design. You can check here also. So thank you so much, and I hope that you do the research with these 3 websites, and I hope it will help you in your design. Thank you. Bye bye.